Okay, my friends, so we have Yvan Lacroix visiting the garage. He's bringing a brand new product on the market. So we're gonna talk about it. We're gonna try it out on my personal car, and we're gonna go through the washing process. And we'll talk more in depth on the product line because we have been using the products for a couple of months, a couple of weeks now. So I have a few questions that you guys are interested to that I hear about in the comments all the time. So Yvan is here. We're gonna get to him. All right, let's do it. Okay, my friends, so Yvan Lacroix is visiting me. He's dropping by with a brand new product on the market. So what is it, Yvan?
C6 Mist is a drying aid, it's a rinse aid, and it's a quick detailer. All in one.
All right.
Designed specifically for ceramic coatings. Now, if your vehicle doesn't have a ceramic coating, yes, you can use it. But it's designed specifically for ceramic coatings, meaning that it doesn't leave much behind. Yes, there's a bit of SiO2 in it, there's a bit of polysiloxane, nothing enormous, but will get great slickness when you're drying, smells nice, and gives you a little more pop, a little more gloss.
Okay, so it doesn't leave anything behind.
It leaves just a little behind, but not enough to mask or clog a coating.
Okay, so it's not gonna change my water behavior from the actual coating?
No.
Okay, so that's perfect for
Yeah.
All right, that's good.
First, we have to wash the car though.
Yeah, all right.
So off we go.
Okay, Yvan, so we just pre-rinsed the car, pre-washed the car.
Yeah.
Now we pull the car inside the garage. Let's start with the rinseless wash.
Exactly. So Frank pre-sprayed the vehicle with rinseless wash.
So you guys just celebrated your second year, right?
Yeah, 2 years. 2 years to the public. We started in 2019, but
Yes.
yeah. So 5 years in reality, but 2 years of the products being available.
Mm-hmm. A lot of work behind the scenes.
Yes. R&D takes time.
So I heard you had a big live stream party, big sale as well.
Yeah, 2 hours of live stream worked out very well.
Well, by the way, congratulations on your success, on the growth
Thank
for
you.
the company. It's really impressive. So I know you guys just released two more products with the C6, but what's in store for the rest of the year? Do you have a scoop for the Dogma detailing channel?
Oh, we have a lot of fun things coming. So we have our the new iron remover is already out. The new
iron remover.
A little less odor, a little more surfactants.
So it just you didn't change the label or anything. It's just an update.
No, it's just a running change.
Okay.
Rinseless will be changed soon as well. Again, a running change, so no change in the label, no new and improved sticker.
Were there an announcement about the iron remover? Or
not
did
yet.
you announce it? No,
not yet.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what did you change about it exactly?
Lower odor.
Okay.
And more surfactants for better lubrication.
Nice.
Yeah.
It was already a nice lube for the plate towel.
Yeah.
Good. So Yvan, everyone is curious about the update on the rinseless that they already love so much. So,
Yes.
So what is it?
Change in the polymers that's in the wash, giving it a little more lubrication, a little more safety when washing, but still leaving nothing on the paint when you dry.
Okay. Good.
Yep. Always improving or trying.
Yeah, that's important. taking feedback.
Yes. But also new chemicals come to light, and when we try them, if they work, if they actually improve, even better.
So new raw material.
Yeah.
That's the cool word these days.
Raw materials, yes.
C6 Hydrolite piqued a lot of interest from the guys.
Yeah.
Even though it's a higher cost and it's a higher performance, seems like a more in-depth coating, more almost pretty much pro, right? It's a pro version.
It is a pro coating.
Without the diamond.
Yeah, well, it has the diamonds in it.
Oh, it has the diamonds.
The C6 Hydro Light has everything that the C6 Hydro has. It's just the carriers are a little different to make it easier to install.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
But nonetheless, it is a pro coating in all form. You know, any way you look at it, it's a pro coating.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Yvan, we just finished the rinseless wash.
Yeah.
Now let's try the mist.
Yeah. So do this side with the mist, do the other side dry. You'll get a feel for what mist can do. So just a light, no, way too much.
Way too much at the same spot?
Basically, you just want to do a very light glancing spray.
Okay. And the towel doesn't matter?
No. Pick your favorite towel.
I like the smell. It's like a fruity, I like the fruity scent.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Really, really slick. The coating I just done on this one is pretty grabby, so
yeah,
already a big difference.
So now dry the other side without the mist.
Okay.
See if you feel a difference.
It's grabby.
Yeah.
So big difference.
Yeah, so the idea of mist is as a drying lubricant. It's not a sealant, it's not a long-term sealant. Yeah, you can, so here.
I'm applying the same force.
Yeah. So here. You can use it on a wet surface, you can use it on a dry surface. So now you can go ahead and dry. And you can also use it as a rinse aid. So like quick beads, you can use it that way as well.
Okay, a spray and rinse.
Spray and rinse.
Okay, interesting.
But it's designed to leave a nice slick surface, add a bit of gloss, a bit of slickness, but not change the hydrophobics of a coating.
That's right, because I have a really nice performing coating.
Yeah.
And I don't want to top it with something that's going to change the water behavior.
Exactly.
So that's not going to do that. That's going to keep my coating the same performance.
Exactly. And this is designed to work on any surface, on any car, but also not provide long-term protection. It's not for that. So if someone washes their car every day, they could use this and it won't build up over time.
Okay. So it's not you can use it as a standalone.
Right. But it's short.
It's not made for that.
No, it's not made for long-term durability.
Okay.
It's not a sealant. It's not anything else other than a dedicated drying aid.
Drying aid.
Yeah.
The perfect product after the wash. Good. Works great on glass as well.
Yeah.
No problem.
No problem.
Any material.
Any material.
Okay. So with a hand movement, just to spread it a little better, right?
Right. And we don't need a lot on the surface.
Okay. So it evaporates quickly.
Right. There's a bit of propanol in it, which is a version of IPA that helps with the drying.
Okay.
And then there's the SiO2, polysiloxane. There's other polymers in there as well.
And it's pretty quick. I have no streak, and I'm not having a second towel.
No.
Just going over.
Yep.
That's what I like with ceramic gloss. You don't worry about anything.
No, there's no worries about
save so much
streaking.
time, and it's fast and easy. What is the actual scent? What is it called? The specific fruit?
I have no idea. To me, it smells like certs, the red certs.
It smells Sugary fruit.
Yeah, fruity, candy.
Yeah, candy, yeah. It's pleasant.
Like I said, to me it smells like certs, which haven't been around for many years now. But
this one has no coating, by the way.
no.
Streak free. No second towel.
No second towel needed.
Couldn't be easier.
And you can use a much smaller towel to dry your car.
So it's not only specific for the C6 coating.
No.
Any coating, the DIY coatings.
Yeah, any coating, and even if you don't have a coating, it will help in drying.
Okay. But it's under the C6.
Yes.
C6 brand. Okay.
Yeah.
And C6 can be found on the regular DIY website.
Exactly.
It's not a different place.
No.
Okay. By the way, guys, if you like the DIY stuff, I have a special offer, a 10% discount in the description for you guys. You can check it out. Use the code Dogma and save 10%
At
off your order.
DIYdetail.com?
Yeah. I have a question for you. So I know there's a lot of guys that likes the typical 1 year coating that you don't need to polish.
Right.
Is it something you guys are looking into? So something, let's say I like to polish my car every year. I know your coating are so easy to apply, but many guys are looking to reach out for a 1 year coating. Is it something you guys?
It's in the future.
It's in the future?
Yeah.
It's gonna come?
Yeah. It's in R&D at the moment, so we have another couple months before we decide to say that it's good or not good.
Okay,
Yeah.
good.
Another way of using mist is as a quick detailer. So let's say we missed a spot. Put a little bit on,
Fingerprints.
fingerprints, rub it in, flip the towel. You now have a nice shiny surface.
Just super easy.
Yep. So let's say we had someone left their fingerprints here.
Yeah. We'll do them. Super easy.
The way it should be.
Very nice. Is it gonna enhance the gloss or?
Yes,
a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay.
Depending on what coating you have on there, but with the C6 diamond gloss, it's not going to enhance the gloss. It's at its maximum already.
So we don't want to change too much.
No.
Okay.
But for a vehicle that's not coated, or you have a wax, or you have a sealant that, the gloss could be improved, it will help improve the gloss.
All right. Can I do a wash clay wax?
Yes.
But it's better if I do that with ceramic gloss?
Right. The ceramic gloss is has more body to it. It's a little thicker.
Lasts longer as well?
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, this isn't meant for long-term protection. You should already have a coating on your vehicle.
Yeah.
That's what it's for. It's
Okay.
to help dry. It's a drying aid more than anything else.
Okay. Cool. Okay, my friends. So first impression, really nice. Drying aid. I guess it's the perfect products for drying aid. It's also versatile. We will test it further, but first impression, I really liked it. Smells good.
Yep.
Pleasure to use. So if you want to check it out, link in the description. And with that being said, guys, thanks Yvan for coming here.
Thank you, sir.
And we'll see you in the next one.